On the TINT-talk. Got another one for you. Got this Q80. We're just gonna shrink it. And then I'll go ahead and tint the windows and make a video on it like usual. So I will break this up in a couple parts. This car is a lot of work, but it's very easy because the windows are just really big, so you have a lot of cleaning to do, a lot of squeegeing to do. But as it going for why I say it's just easy is just because the windows are just so simple. So it's a lot of work. It's a lot of easy work. A lot of film though. This back glass right here is a little tricky. When you get a SUV back glass and it's this elongated, you gotta be careful. Let me fix this so you can see, of course. Trying to adjust my camera and on the front of film. It's really gritty. Feels like I'm scratching things under here. I thought I cleaned it pretty well, but apparently I didn't, so. So if you ever see me, I'm pushing these fingers from the side all the way down to up and down so I can actually shrink them out. So I'll use heat and push it sometimes and then they'll pop up. Because if I just push them like this, the finger's not gonna pop up. If you use heat, you can expose the finger sometimes, you know, if the finger is actually there hiding. Bear with me here. Of course, I did not adjust that. Okay. Alright, this windshield, it's very, very, very tricky to apply. Easy to shrink. I don't want to say easy, but you just got to be really careful with it. So I don't know how that camera's going to look on here, but okay, not so easy. I see a really big finger that I have to break up. So I didn't place this film very well. I placed it very lazily, so that's why I'm getting these stupid T-lines. Yeah, this looks hideous to shrink right now. It definitely shouldn't look like this, but I placed it like a jackass, so that's what you get. It has to get broken up. So in a situation like this, yeah, I'll use my finger before I come down. That was hot. I'll use my finger to come down on that, my ass. And that's why you want to be really careful while you're tinting. Oh my god. So this windshield is becoming a problem. I just set it up like such an idiot. It's really off balanced. Just so lazy. Didn't have to be like that. Okay. Yeah. So this windshield really isn't hard. I made it hard like this. Pause. You know, I did this. I created problems that did not have to be here. And this is a problem. So if you see me do a couple things that I'm not normally doing, yeah, I'm applying things here, so okay, that's it for this side. I got through the pain. I literally almost sabotaged it right here too, because there's this stupid thing there. I'm gonna go on this other side and then handle this. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. I have to literally come back over there just to fix this. And he has a crack in his windshield. So he said, you know, if it goes through, they'll take care of it with insurance. You know, I told the guy, like, hey, it's gonna be serious. But yeah, you know what? This windshield isn't very easy. It's not basic. I understand that I did not place it correctly, but the way I have to even shrink this is, it's a little different. I have to incorporate things that I wouldn't normally have to do. Like that could have creased easy. But like, I'm watching everything, so trying not to. The trick when you think, you know, when you get to a level like this and things look so aggressive. Use less heat, but just enough to where it barely think you can hit it. Because as long as you put a little heat on it, it's not gonna crease so badly. Even if it creases, it won't crease so badly to the point where you cannot fix it. Now that's pretty advanced because you still gotta know how to fix a baby crease, but there it goes. I have to come back on this side and fix that. A side that I burned my hand on, so I got so scared to where I just didn't finish it. And I think I should do it from right here. Oh yeah, got no reach. Oh, that was almost all bad. That almost burned on me. Look at this piece right here. I don't know when the hell I did this. Oh, it's not burned. Okay, the liners. This new Lexington heat gun gets so hot, man. Cool.